Okay, here's another update on the motor swap on the 72 Cutlass convertible. I've gotten a little bit further, buttoning up some odds and ends. As you can see, I got the fender wells back in. Pretty much all my wiring done. Carburetor I've worked on to tune it up a little bit, get it running a little bit better. You can still see I'm waiting on a master cylinder for my brakes. Got the new brake booster on. All the brake lines run. The exhaust is on. Transmission's wired up for the lockup converter. Everything is pretty well done. Now I'm going to start putting the face back on it, put the front clip on. You can see none of the headlights or anything have been put in yet. I'll start working on that tonight. Transmission cooler, you can see, is in. Those are transmission cooler lines going back to the transmission. I put a Pipes Performance 2.5 inch dual exhaust kit on here with a X pipe in it. Went on pretty good. Had a little trouble lining up the tail pipes with the cutouts in my bumper. Even Pipe said it's not really made for that, but I got it to work. I'll show you here in a little bit. But you can kind of see the pipes getting there with the X pipe. Going back to the mufflers and then over the axle and out the back. I'll show you the back here, but I welded it up, which I'm not a good welder, so welds are a little bit rough, but it'll work, and there's no leaks in it right now, so far I'm pretty happy with that. Let me go show you the back of it here real quick. Okay, this is the exhaust coming out the back. I got it to line up pretty good. I don't have the trumpet exhaust. I don't really like them. I actually like these polished stainless with the rolled tips better than the trumpet. So for the purists out there that really like the trumpets on the Oldsmobiles, well, you're not going to like this, but I happen to like it, so that's what I'm going with. I'll start it up and let you hear what it sounds like out the exhaust with these mufflers that I got on it. Okay, we'll give it a start here. See if it'll crank up. Pressure right there. Pretty good. Temp's obviously really cold. Got it idling about 850 RPMs right now. Sitting idle. Let's go take a look at the exhaust now. Sounds pretty good. Oil pressure sitting around 50 pounds at idle. Still got some belt slippage that I got to work on. I think it's my powder coated pulleys are just slipping on those belts, so I'm gonna have to do a little work on those to get them to grip a little bit better. You can hear it squealing when I hit it. pretty good, so anxious to get the rest of it put together and get it on the street and see how it operates. That's all for now. I'll post more later when I make a little more progress.